Hello there, my name is Minnie Kamau, and today we continue our conversation on being responsible investors. You're watching Market View, powered by Faida Investment Bank, where we link investors to opportunity. In today's video, we talk about 3 other points which are important in your investment journey. So remember, we talked about following your investment and knowing how it's performing through many ways that you can do that, like the website, the TV, the radio, the newspapers. But today we look at another aspect. There is information that a company may release that is important to a certain share that you're holding. Say at the end of their financial year, KCB announces they're giving 1 shilling dividend to their shareholders for each and every share that they hold. This is important information because dividend is part of the gains and part of the advantages of investing in shares. So we need to know, I bought KCB at a certain time. Have I qualified for dividend? And if I have, how much is it? And when do I expect it? Okay? Is this helpful? Yes, it is. How? Because I know KCB are paying on a certain date. And I'm expecting some payment, be it a check, be it an M-Pesa from KCB. I know there's some money coming, there's some little something coming in. So if it goes beyond a certain date, I will know I have not received something that is due to me, and I'm able to follow up. If you receive, it doesn't get you by surprise like, hiya, KCB paid. No, you know this. And this will help us a lot because we are seeing a lot of unclaimed funds being taken to Unclaimed Financial Assets Authority because people don't know their dividends are out. They don't know they have not received. They don't know when it was due. So checks end up being not taken in, and money stays with the share registrars of this company, and eventually the law says now they have to forward those funds to Unclaimed Financial Asset Authorities. Let's not get it there, guys. Let's learn to know, I invested in this, financial year is this, I'm expecting a dividend at this period, and know when to follow it up. It is very important, okay? Our second point is getting all the information you need should you want to sell shares. This is an investment. Something may come up and you need to know, if I need to sell these shares, how do I go about it? How do I send through my orders? How long will it take to sell my shares? When do I receive the funds? Because this is important. You don't want somebody to tell you, yes, you have the shares, but if you sell them, you'll get the money after 2 weeks. And I have an important urgent need. How will this help me? So as you are investing, ask, if I need an exit plan, if I need to get out of these shares, if I need to sell it for one reason or another, what are the procedures that have been laid out at your stockbroker that can enable me to get my funds quickly, efficiently, to be able to maybe to help me catch or sort a need that I need to attend to then. That is also very important. The third thing is we get questions of, you know what, I want to get an SMS when I have traded. When I sell, I want to get an SMS, or I want to get an alert to know that something has happened in my account. And this works also as a precautionary way because you don't want to imagine somebody can touch your shares without your authority. So CDSC have an SMS alert system that you can register with them, and you're able they're able to send you an SMS anytime there is activity, be it a sell, be it a buy, be it some bonus shares which have been credited. Anytime there's a change in your account, you'll get an alert through an SMS that tells you KCB 1,000 shares bought. Then you'll be able to know this has been done. It also makes you get a bit comfortable to know there's also, apart from your stockbroker, there's also someone else like CDSC who are also keen on protecting your investment. So there you go. We've discussed a few points to help you become a responsible investors. We'll dig in more into this just to help you become more diligent, to follow your investments, and believe me, you can do it. Let's stop this myth of me, I just want to give you my money, you make me rich. No one is going to make you rich. You make yourself rich by following your investment, knowing what is what. I bought these shares, they're performing this way, and this is where I am now. So if somebody asks you, where are you with your investments right now in shares, you can be able to tell it without much of a struggle. It is easy, it's doable, and you can do it. So for any query or even comments, you can reach us on the contact below, and we'll be able to help you or just get you moving to know and to take care of your investment. Be a responsible investor. My name is Minnie Kamau. You're watching Market View, powered by Faida Investment Bank, where we link investors to opportunities.